welcome to the new video. So in previous video we saw about GitHub and branches, tags in UI. So as I promised that I'll bring a next video, we'll try it through commands. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So right now I have opened my VS Code and I need to clone my GitHub repo. So let's go. First of all, let's see which GitHub repo I want to clone. I want to clone this GitHub repo. So I'll clone this to git clone. So I hope you know the difference between git clone and git fork. So git clone make a you take a clone means a working model, and whenever you are going to push the change, it will push back the changes in that repo from where you have taken the clone. But git fork will take a copy in your local repository, and then whatever changes you are going to push, it will be visible in your repo, not the repo from which you have taken the clone. Suppose this was not my repo, suppose it was another repo. So if would have cloned from that repo, whatever changes I am going to push, it will be visible on that from the parent repo where I have cloned. So I have cloned the repo. So I've cloned, I've opened the folder, and whatever was there in that folder, it in that repo, it has now came. Okay. So now we'll see how to. We need to go to git dash. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll see that what is the status. The status is your branches, you are on main branch. So on you are on which branch it has told. Then your branch is up to date. There is nothing to comment. So of course I'll show in also that here is only one branch. Okay. So now we will be creating another branch. So for that we need to give git branch and then the branch name. So we can give it feature branch. Okay. Now we do git status. So it will show. So git status will show that still you are on the main branch. You have created a new branch, but still you are on main branch. But when I will do git branch hyphen a means all. Show all the branches which are present in this repo. So it will show all the branches, the branch we have created, feature branch, and the branch main. And what is there? The main branch is highlighted in green because we are on main branch. That's why. But when we'll go to repo, will you be able to see your branch that you have created? No, not yet. I've refreshed. There is only one branch. Why? Because you have not pushed your changes yet. So you won't be able to see your created branch till now. Now suppose if I want to go to my own branch, okay, what I have created, and then I need to work on it. Git checkout. So I will go to my branch and I'll start working. I cannot work on main branch. So I'll go to my branch and now you'll see switch to branch, feature branch, and if I do git status, then you'll see on branch, feature branch. So now from main you have checked out to feature branch, and you can even see over here till now it was main but now it has changed to feature branch. So make sure that whenever you are in hurry and you start working on something, so these are the things you should take care of. Now when I am on feature branch and suppose I have done any change in suppose I have written name as CI pipeline on push. Okay. So I've given job, then runs on, then step, just check out step. Now I'll do Control S. Now I've saved it. Once it is saved, okay, then if I'll do git add git commit hyphen m added a branch and added ci dot deploy dot yaml. Okay, so okay, fine. We haven't configured git config, so yeah, that we'll do. So after doing git config hyphen config user dot email and that user dot name, after giving everything, I have done git commit and you can see one file change and 8 insertions. So commit is been successful. Now if I do git push origin, okay, fine. So now I have done git push origin to feature branch. I'm not pushing changes to main branch. I have pushed it to feature branch. So it has pushed the changes and we can see that in our feature branch, okay, that in our repo, actually there are two branches now. And if I go to feature branch, I will see that my deploy.yaml will have a code. Whereas if I go to main branch, so my deploy.yaml is empty because earlier it was empty. So that is how we are going to, create a branch and work on it. Once you think that your feature branch is up to date, your testing is done and everything, and now you want to merge the code to the main branch, you can simply go to you as you can see compare and pull request, and you can do create pull request, just create a pull request. So that is what a proper you know merge pull request, confirm merge, and once the merge will be done, uh, yeah once the merge is done, what we'll see that in our main branch also our deploy.yaml is no more empty and we have got the same code in our main branch also. So this is how the things work. Okay, but as you can see, I have gone to action because I have written a workflow.yaml which is going to trigger in every push, and you can see that it got failed. So yeah, that's fine. But yeah, that is what it is. I think there is some syntax issue. Yeah, there is some syntax issue. That's fine. The YAML, we'll have to deal with it. Now, talking about the tags. Now I have written the main. I have done everything. I have suppose I have created my feature branch. I've done the changes. Now my testing has been done. Now I've merged the changes in main, and now I want to do the release. So I want to create a you can either create a release branch. You have to create a release, and then from that release you need to put a tag on it. So my release branch will be main branch. So I need to put tag on that. So if I have created a tag, or suppose I am going to create what tag, so I need to use git tag. So yeah, fine. My tag is, and also see, I have switched to main branch. So what I've done, I switched to main branch. I did git pull. So git pull is must, okay, because the changes that have been done so that it can pull. So nothing is pulled now because I've already ran the pull command. It has pulled the changes. Now the tag has been created. Now I need to push this tag, okay, after, because I now my main branch I'm going to release it, so that's why I'm going to put a tag. So git, okay, one second, I did wrong. Git push origin v1.0.1. So we need to push from origin, like from this our tag. So now our tag is get or got created, and if I go to my repo, I should see a tag. So yeah, a tag is visible. So if I'll see, so everything, every code that has been created at that moment will be there in a zipped file. And if I tag, so this is, this is the tag. This is what I wanted to show. So this tag is immutable because the things, the code you cannot change. You cannot, like your branch, you check out to that branch and start editing. But in tag, you can't do it. But this tag is like a bookmark that if you want that in this tagging, in this version, what all code was there, you can go, you can check that what all code was there. Everything you can check. So that is like a bookmark. So I hope the things are clear now by, seeing the practical use with commands. So yeah, that's all for today's video.
So that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.